Okay, this is week 4, number 11, Van Cleves, on the move. Purpose, to determine why planets continue to move. Materials, you have a cake pan, a sheet of construction paper that I have pre-cut for you to be the shape of the cake pan and fit inside of here. And you have a marble, and mine has rings on it to represent the planet. So you're going to line your cake pan with the paper first, and then you're going to thump the marble, inside the cake pan. Now, try your best both times you flick it to do the same sort of, what's the word I'm thinking of? The amount of pressure that you flick it with. Try to do it the same, because otherwise it kind of doesn't work. So I'm going to line it up like this and make it go around. Okay? So you can have your kids count how many times it goes around. You can also have them notice how fast it goes. So that was one. Here's the second one. I'm going to set it down and go like this. So I tried my best to sort of hit it at the same amount of strength. That one went around 3 times, and if you notice, it stayed at the edge. That was important. So let's do it one more time, and you can see this slides flat. I'm going to flick it. It went around 2 times, and it kind of didn't stay at the edge the whole time. It kind of went wobbly. That one went around 4 times, and it stayed. So 2 things we're learning about here, friction and inertia. The results are that the marble rolls in a circular path, and that it rolls farther and faster without the paper. Why? Inertia is the resistance that all objects have to any change in motion. Basically, inertia causes things that are staying still to remain still, and moving objects that are moving to continue to move unless a force acts upon them, like wind or a meteor or whatever. So this is why we're studying the planets. The marble stopped moving more quickly, like it slowed down faster in the pan because of the paper. Because that caused friction. When the friction between the pan and the marble was removed, it moved faster. The planets continue to move around the sun because their movement through space is not restricted by friction. If you wanted to do a fun activity and you have time, you could have your students line up in a circle and have them sort of walk at the same speed in a circle, and then stop one of them and have everyone behind him or her run into them, because that inertia, the person stopped and it caused friction, and so everything messed up. Or you could have someone be the sun. And then, a biblical thought, if you wanted, also would be to ask what kinds of things cause friction in our relationship with Christ, and how we can keep moving, what kind of distractions or what kind of sins or temptations. So those were just some thoughts I had.